Alright guys, today we'll be reviewing the Jetboil. I don't actually know what model this is. I'll put the model thing down in the description below. But we're just gonna do like a review and overview of this thing. So, start off with the unit itself. We have this, I don't know what this is called. It's like a cool, like weird design thing that makes it heat up in around a minute-ish. And then on the inside, it's kind of hard to see. I don't actually know what the fuck it is. It's in there, but the little weird like line thing right there that says max safe fill 2 cups of water. I normally tend to push to about 3, but that's just me. Some people like to be really safe. And then on the bottom of this cup, I'm actually gonna stick it like this, but take this off. This is also 1 cup of water. So 1 cup of any liquid. I have actually used it as like a bowl thing for when I'm just doing stuff. Super nice. I don't know the durability of it as well as I should. We'll go from there. Now, it looks like you got a straw cap thing. I don't know. It's whatever they did. Got like a strainer on this side, and then you got like a straw and a sip thing. I don't know what the plan was with that, but I do think it is kind of cool. This cup, not part of the set. It's a one of these cups. Didn't come with it. It's the thing I have. It's a good test thing. Cool it off yet? Okay, cool. Then this is also comes with the kit. It's a I'll just show you. I already have pre-assembled the unit itself, like this part. Okay, your stand that clips onto the propane tank. This propane tank did not come with it. I got this one at Walmart. Probably can get this at a Target. I don't know. Whatever it is. But then we have the heating thing itself. I don't know, but there's like this screw missing right here. And it makes this all jiggly, like, I guess it doesn't. No, it does, yeah. It's kind of like all jiggly without that screw in the right place. I don't know why, but it just is what it is. It's the designer thing, I don't know. Then, let's go ahead and turn it on. You got like gas controls, and then you got your button to light it. But that is on. It's kind of like, I don't want to get too close to the camera because I could melt it. Put that down. That's actually gonna turn it off because I don't want to waste the gas. Yes. So then it has this little groove right here on the on this itself that will connect and interlock with the groove right there. This coincidentally does not have a groove, but apparently it locks in a certain way. I don't actually know. I don't want to try it right now. But we will go ahead and fill this up with some water. We have 2 cups of water, about halfway in this thing, and we're gonna start a 1-minute timer. So okay, so we got our timer all set up here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, which is going to involve. Timer starts now. And we're just going to let this run for a minute. And another cool feature is, actually, I don't know if I showed you or not, but this little thing on the side, ow, that's stupid to me. This little thing on the side right here, that actually changes color when it gets hot enough. So it will start to go like a goldy orange kind of thing. Like, as you can see, it is starting to get that orange part all hot and nice and ready to go. Now, we're not going to drink any of this water because it came from a garden hose. Now, I know you can boil everything out of water. It is what it is. I'm not complaining. I'm not talking about it. But we're on the exact max safe fill line in the thing itself. And because I can, let's take the lid off. I recommend you put the lid on? No, I just always want to try some science. But that's about a minute 30 seconds. I would have put it in for a minute, but we don't have to heat up all the way. So how good of a boil really depends. As you can see, we got a nice boil in there of hot water, which I'm at like a minute 30 seconds, 0.55 is actually pretty good. Now, because I've already kind of almost technically burned myself twice today, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna good old handy dandy glove, and we're gonna go ahead and just twist off. As you can see, that's all hot. Then we have our cup. Now we're gonna pour this somewhere so it makes like a steam. I don't know if you can see the steam or not, but there is steam. In fact, this is actually still steaming. And then we're gonna go do the same with this one, but we're just gonna pour it right here. But it does generate a lot of heat, which is my one thing that I love about it, is it makes so much heat and it's super easy to use. Just be careful not to actually grab this when you are cooking, because it will burn you a lot very quickly. Not fun. And now for the disassembly is actually pretty easy of this thing. It really isn't much. Throw some cold water in there so we can cool down a lot quicker. See it turned out. But then this just kind of clips onto the bottom like so. And for the top unit, actually is super easy. You just kind of like most other units that like are like this with propane or whatever this is called. I don't actually know what it's called, but it comes off and this slips down. This just slides in like that. Super easy, super nice. The next thing to go in, you can do it any order. I like to do it in this order. I like to put this thing in next, like this, upside down, like this. It's super easy to do, super nice. It's getting kind of late. Next thing is this, if I can get it off again. Super annoying to get on and off for the bigger tanks, for me at least. This is like a little tripod thing that comes with it for the gas tank itself. It really works nicely on uneven ground, I will say. But it's super easy to fold up. It just folds up into 3 parts like this, and you can just drop it in there. Then your lid goes on like that. And there you have it. You have the Jetboil, whatever model this is. I'll put a link down in the description to where you can get it, probably on Amazon. And that is pretty much my review on the Jetboil. No idea what model it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one.